Hi, it's Mr. Anderson, and today we're going to be going over some sounds, okay? Because it's good to practice that. It helps us become better readers when we can recognize the sounds in words, okay? So right now we have the letter A, alligator, alligator. Let's look for some other words that have that same sound. Here's one, axe, axe.
Axe,
Another one is apple, apple.
apple,
And then a last one here, anchor, anchor.
anchor,
Good work. Let's try another one. A, ape. Here's one. Apron. Something you wear when you're cooking so you don't spill things on your clothes. Apron.
apron,
Let's try another one. Angel, angel.
angel,
And then one more. Acorn, acorn.
acorn.
Good work. All right. So those were some words that we practiced that have that sound, the A sound, okay? The ah. All right. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later.